Hi, welcome back to Check the channel. Alright, so for this video, I will cover on 1.3 patterns and sequence. Okay, the learning standard is to make generalization about the patterns of sequence using numbers, words, and algebraic expressions. Okay, look at example 9. Okay, actually the patterns of sequence can be described by using numbers. I repeat, okay, words and algebraic expression. Now we look at example 9 to describe the patterns for the sequence 1, 9, 17, 25, 33 and so on by using numbers, words and algebraic expression. Now look at the solution. If you want to describe patterns based on number, or if you want to describe patterns using a number, so what you will do is you look at first, you determine what is the pattern. Okay, you look at the number sequence 1, 9, 17, 25, 33. Okay, and the pattern is adding 8. Okay, adding 8 to the previous number. So if you want to describe the patterns of the number sequence by using numbers, you just write the patterns is plus 8. Okay, this one is how you describe a pattern by using numbers. Okay, now how to describe a patterns of number sequence if you use words. Okay, the same number sequence. Okay, how to describe is you have to describe in full sentence. Okay, it is just like the how you will describe by using numbers, but you have to describe it in full sentence. Okay, the patterns for the above sequence is add 8 to the previous number. So maksudnya, okay, apa beza describe by using numbers and using words is using number you can use the signs of adding tu. Okay, add 8. Okay, whereas kalau guna words you have to describe in full sentence. Okay, full sentence. Okay, add 8 to the previous number, make it clear. Okay, okay, now for the algebraic expression. Okay, how to describe pattern by using algebraic expression. Okay, based on this number sequence, okay, what you have to do is you list out. Okay, you list out the number, okay, vertically. Okay, secara menegak ni. Okay, 1, 9, 17, 25, 33. Okay, and then you put equal sign. Now you have to determine how you get the number. Okay, macam mana boleh dapat 1? Okay, macam mana boleh dapat 1? Okay, kalau dia mula dengan 1, okay, tipsnya, okay, untuk the other number, you just copy 1. Okay, okay, so 1 mesti nak kena plus or minus or multiply or divide. Okay, yang kita dah belajar in previous lesson. Okay, the patterns of a number sequence. Okay, now how to describe the number sequence by using algebraic expression. Okay, so you have to think how you can make it as a mathematic sentence. Okay, for this number sequence. So the patterns of the number sequence. Okay, 1 macam mana boleh dapat 1? 1 mestilah plus 0 kan? Okay, and then 1 macam mana boleh dapat 9 is 1 plus 8. And then you copy back 8. Okay, because you know that the pattern is adding 8 to the previous number. Okay, so cuba dapatkan, okay, letakkan bracket ni. 8 ni nak kena darab berapa supaya dia dalam nampak dia punya pattern sequence tu. Dia nampak the continuity tu. Okay, so number yang awak isi dalam bracket ni mestilah number yang berturutan. Okay, you look at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so apa yang you can make conclusion here? Okay, how to describe the number patterns? Okay, the number pattern for the sequence of number can be expressed as 1 plus 8n. Okay, yang number yang berubah itu, that one is known as variable. So, kita wakilkan dengan apa-apa saja letter lah. Okay, normally, kita akan letak n. Okay, untuk number sequence ni. Okay, so 1 plus n. Where, okay, jangan berhenti setakat ini sahaja. Kena sambung lagi. Mention what is the value of n. Because sometimes value n can be start with 1. Okay, tak semestinya value n tu kena start dengan 0. Sometimes you can, dia mungkin akan terjadi, dia mula dengan 1. Okay. Next, okay, 1.3.2, the terms of a sequence. Okay, the terms of sequence, the n term, number yang keberapa. Okay, in a number sequence is written as Tn. Okay, T is the term, N is the position. Okay, for example, if I write T2, this one means that the second term. Okay, if I write T4, this one is referred to the fourth term. Alright, okay, look at the example. Given the number sequence 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. From the above, okay, T1 is equals to 4, T2, 8, T3, 12, T4, 16 and ada lagi number yang seterusnya. Okay. Now look at example 10. State the fifth terms of for the following number sequence. Okay, dia bagi number sequence 2, 10, 18. Okay. First, okay, step yang pertama ni. Yang ini ni yang step yang penting. Okay. Okay, dalam previous lesson pun cikgu dah sebut. The first step, if you have to determine the pattern of number sequence. So, you determine macam mana 2 boleh jadi 10. Macam mana 10 boleh jadi 18. Dia mesti ada pattern dia. Okay, so this one is adding 8. The pattern is adding 8 to the previous number. Okay. The step number 2, list down the first 5 terms as shown below. Because sekarang ni dalam list number yang dia bagi cuma ada T1, T2 and T3. Ada 3 terms sahaja. The question asks you to state the 5th terms. Okay, so you have to continue. You identify what is T4 and then identify what is T5. Okay, so by using the pattern. Okay, sebab tu kena tahu pattern dulu baru boleh tahu berapa dia punya the 5th term. Okay. Alright, next example 11. Given the number sequence 65, 60, 55, 50. Kita nampak number ni decreasing. Okay, the number is decreasing. So determine what is the pattern. Okay, now look at how 65 gets 60 is minus 5. 60 to 55 also minus 5, and then 55 to 50 is minus 5. So the pattern is minus 5 or subtract 5 from the previous number. So the question asks you to determine which terms in the number sequence is 40. Dia nak tahu sebutan yang keberapa adalah number 40. So you have to list out. Okay, T1 is equals to 65, T2 equals to 60, T3 equals to 55, T4 is equals to 50 sampailah awak dapat 40. Okay, so T5 is equals to 45 and T6 is equals to 40. So therefore 40 is the 6th term. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, about 1.3, that cover the learning standard. Okay, the first learning standard for this video is to make generalization about patterns of sequence by using numbers, words and expression. You can try the exercise in textbook to for further understand. And the second learning standard is to determine the specific terms of a sequence. It is actually very easy. Okay, so try to do exercise Remember, mathematics you have to do practice, practice and practice. Okay, bye.